We are hiking northbound from Sam's Gap today, the southernmost point on our trip. This turns what would be a 4,000-foot ascent day into a 3,400-foot ascent. We also decided to do this today because tomorrow is going to be a rainy day, and it's still a lot of elevation for bad conditions. I'm so glad our first day gave us such amazing views. But these clouds, hanging onto the mountains, are setting us up for some different kinds of visual delights. I really hate to jinx myself, but the trail has been like this, just a nice, dirt path through the woods. And we have a lot of elevation ahead of us. If it stays like this, a very doable day. Because man, if we're doing rock scrambles or just even a rocky path where you're concentrating constantly and it's mentally fatiguing, that's draining. But a trail like this, Zen Mode on. We're crossing our fingers for some trail magic ahead.
Is it too early for an IPA? It's never too early.
It was too early, and given the dizzy spell I had earlier in the trip, I stuck to the watermelon slices and sun chips. One of several blueberry patches in the area. We're approaching the summit of Big Bald, and they say there's amazing views. Men in skirts, rain skirts. Big Bald at over 5,500 feet of elevation.
Feels like I'm in an enchanted forest with these trees and the fog. The setting is just made for a movie.
I would not be shocked at all to run into Mary and Pippin having a conversation with Treebeard out here. Bald Mountain Shelter was as busy as a highway rest stop. It was midday and midway for northbound and southbound hikers, and everyone stopped for lunch. Which means I couldn't have my phone out recording, but we can admire these bear hang cables that seem to require an engineering degree to use. It's probably a good thing they also have a bear box. An oak apple gall, basically a nest or nursery for gall wasps. The final ascent for the day to High Rocks. A camera pointed at me. I don't like the shoe on the other foot. Day of hiking. One more day of hiking for this trip. Thanks for watching and happy hiking.